What's the difference between phthalo blue, red shade, phthalo blue, green shade, and primary cyan? Well, this tube labelled primary cyan is actually just phthalo blue, green shade mixed with white. So if we're looking over here, I've swatched out phthalo blue, red shade, PB15, pigment blue 15, straight out of the tube, thinned with water, mixed with white and mixed with black. So over the page we've got phthalo blue, green shade, straight out of the tube. Looks kind of similar at first glance. Thinned it out with some water, mixed it with some white, mixed it with some black, and then over there we've swatched out the primary cyan, this one here. So phthalocyanine blue is one of the names. There's many different names for it. You might notice the word cyan in there. The green shade is cyan. So it's used in thinned out in the printing process CMYK. So there's your K there, K for black. Now the chemical structure is actually identical. So we've got, it's an organometallic complex. So we've got this organic kind of part around the outside, and then we've got the metallic bit, which is a copper 2+ iron in the middle. The difference though with the colour, this reddish one looking a tinge reddish rather than more greenish, is just the packing into a crystallized form. So it's just the way it absorbs the light. So it's a very intense greenish blue color because it absorbs 700 nanometers, 600 to 700 nanometers, so the orange and red range of light. So yeah, what else about this? It's very strong tinting strength. So a teeny weeny bit can be very overpowering. But they can mix very vibrant kind of greens. So on my little abstract here, we've got our ultramarine blue is more violet leaning, well our red shade of our phthalo blue is in the middle, and then we've got our green shade is towards the green, and then the turquoise is actually a mixture of phthalo green and a phthalo blue. So it's all copper chemistry, if you remember your chemistry.